मैं एक्सप्लोर इंडिया यूट्यूब चैनल से आया हूँ। आपका नाम है?
श्रीकला।
श्रीकला। श्रीकला जी से मैं क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा कि लड़कियाँ जो है ब्रेकअप के बाद क्या करती है? जब लड़कियाँ का ब्रेकअप हो जाता है तो उसके बाद लड़कियाँ क्या करती है?
ब्रेकअप।
आफ्टर ब्रेकअप व्हाट विल बी द डू, व्हाट विल द डू गर्ल्स आफ्टर ब्रेकअप?
जिम तो नहीं जाते हम लोग वो तो सही है। पार्टी। पैसा कौन देगा?
ओह यार यार ये कितनी औसम है यार।
मतलब ब्रेकअप के बाद आपको क्या, लड़कों जो होते हैं ब्रेकअप के बाद जो होता है सार दारू पीते हैं, मतलब पब में जाते हैं, क्लब में जाते हैं। लड़कियां क्या करती है ब्रेकअप के बाद?
ब्रेकअप नहीं हुआ ना इसलिए।
अच्छा, इन केस अगर आपका ब्रेकअप हुआ तो क्या करोगे आप?
मे बी सेल्फ इम्प्रोवाइज सेल्फ नो दूसरे लड़कों को ढूंढूंगी।
दूसरे लड़कों को ढूंढेगा? कब तक ढूंढेगा दूसरे लड़कों को? हाँ,
राइट वन मिली तो तब
अच्छा,
तक।
अच्छा। सर, आप ब्रेकअप होगा तो आप क्या करोगे सर?
I'll find for other one to break the heart again.
कुछ भी
You find for other. Okay. So what is the reason to girls break with any boy, give the breakup for any boys? किस कारण से लड़कियां किसी लड़कों से ब्रेकअप करती है?
Like I didn't.
What is the reason to break up with any guys? What is the reason for that?
Character.
Character. Any apart from any character, any other reason for that?
Character is the main point according to me.
Okay.
Yeah.
So sometimes girls simply break up the boys. There is no reason for that. So that time, what will be your opinion for the guys who's already in the breakup?
You'll find maybe a better one.
You find the maybe a better one. Okay.
Oh God! एक बार दिला दे।
So which type of boys you like? Actually, you like the South Indian boys or North Indian boys?
Maybe most preferably I'll go to South.
South.
Yes, I'm from South.
Okay, you are liking the South Indian boys. What is the reason for that?
Maybe thinking wise, cultural wise, everything you think about it. Because the reason is if I'm going to into someone, then I want to go to one person itself directly. So let us not date for time pass. So if I'm going into anyone, so that will be like permanent. So until something very bad or very serious happens. So according to me, so while choosing itself, it's better to choose someone with your same mindset. Okay. So that is what I.
So what is you choose North Indian girls or South Indian girls?
Just a girl.
Just a girls. It don't depend upon the North Indian or South Indian.
Living being.
No expectations. Just a girl, good-looking girl with good-looking.
Okay. So any North Indian girls, you see a lot of North Indian. What is the difference between North Indian and South Indian girls?
North Indian girls do a lot of makeup, but South Indian girls do less makeup, but they look beautiful.
क्या सोच है रे तेरी, मानना पड़ेगा।
Okay, North Indian girls do makeups because of they are looking beautiful. Yeah, okay, kind of.
Yeah.
Okay. South Indian girls do not do the
need to do makeup.
What is the reason for that?
They're beautiful.
This is the cultural basis. Yeah. So what kind of dress you like for actually by the cultural dress or western dress?
Mix actually.
Mix actually. Okay, sir. So right now you are wearing the western dress. So what about the saris?
Yeah, I really love saris. Maybe dress in appropriately in the right place. So according to the place you should dress.
Okay. So if you something you like the North Indian boys, sometimes maybe sometimes you have any group any North Indian boys you like. Then what is the reason for that?
Maybe that's what I told you, right? His good characteristics, like how he is.
Okay.
So if that is good, then yeah, even North Indian also doesn't matter.
Any North Indian means any Bollywood actor you know? Any Bollywood actor?
You mean to say personally or someone?
Yeah, no, not personally. Personally, you know any Bollywood actor? Who is the for you? Who is the better Bollywood actor?
I actually know. I don't watch much of Bollywood movies, but if I want to pick any name, I'll tell Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan. In the South India, who is the best actor for you?
South India best actor. Okay, in Kannada industry, if you do.
It's Kannada industry.
Sudeep. Sudeep. Yes.
Okay, what about the KGF? What about KGF actor? What is the name?
Yes, right. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, he's also good actually. He's very devoted from what I can say. So to his wife. So if you're asking me about.
Okay. Thank you so much.